Let's solve some simple interest problems. The first one is this. Find the simple interest on 3000 rupees for 4 years at 8% per annum. We know the formula for simple interest. The formula is this. I equals PRT divided by 100. I is simple interest, P is principal, R is rate of interest, and T is period of time. Now if you look at the example, what is P here? 3000 is P and the rate of interest is 8%. So R is 8 and the time period is 4 years. So T is 4. So let's substitute these values. We get 3000 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4 divided by 100. Let's cancel out the zeros. So we have 30 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4. 8 4s are 32. 32 multiplied by 3 is 96. So the answer is 960. That means the simple interest equals 960 rupees. So the simple interest on 3000 rupees for 4 years at 8% interest per annum equals 960. Let's look at the next problem. Find the simple interest on 6000 rupees for 2.5 years at 12% per annum. Now what is different in this problem? You can see that this problem has one mixed number, which is 2.5. Again, the formula is PRT divided by 100. So if you look at the problem, P principal is 6000, R rate of interest is 12%, and T, which is period of time, is 2.5. So for 2.5, either you can convert this to improper fraction and you can write 5/2. That is one option. Or the other option is to use a decimal number and use 2.5. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the decimal number, which is 2.5. If you don't want to use a decimal number, you can always use 5/2. It's your choice. Whatever way you solve the example, you are going to get the same answer. So let's substitute these values in the formula. So you have 6000 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 2.5 divided by 100. Let's cancel out the zeros. 12 multiplied by 2.5 is 30. So what we get here is 60 multiplied by 30. 6 3s are 18. So we get 1800. That means the simple interest is 1800 rupees. The simple interest on 6000 rupees for 2.5 years at 12% interest rate is 1800 rupees.